You've got 5 exams next week, a research paper due Friday, and somehow your brain just froze. Sound familiar? You try to stay organized. To-do lists, sticky notes, color-coded highlighters. But the more you try to control it, the more chaotic it feels. Here's the problem. Your brain doesn't think in straight lines. It works in bursts, in webs, in colorful, messy connections. And when you force it into boxes, it resists. That's where mind mapping comes in. A visual tool that speaks your brain's language. It helps you untangle thoughts, connect ideas, and actually see the big picture. Start with one central idea, like a question or topic. Branch out with keywords. Add colors, icons, even doodles. Each branch leads to a deeper layer. Before you know it, you've built a complete understanding visually. Study sessions, essays, project planning, even setting life goals. Mind maps adapt to you, not the other way around. Suddenly, it all clicks. Studying isn't a blur of facts anymore. It's a story your brain remembers. You feel focused, in control, confident. Try it. Just one subject, one mind map. And the next time your thoughts feel scattered, don't panic. Mind map. Your brain will thank you.